Hi there. Welcome to Traveling Light. My name's Lisa, and today we're going to do a practice where we focus on our breath. Yes, some breathing practices, but also learning to direct and focus our breath so that we can use it to work with energy when we do Reiki. Okay, so let's start out by just connecting to the earth. Let's get ourselves centered. Okay, so your feet on the ground, your sits bones, feel them right under you, so that you feel connected to the earth. Good. And then notice the crown of your head. Maybe tuck your chin in and back a little bit so that your crown is facing up. And either imagine, sense, or feel that you're allowing energy through your crown. You might feel like a little tingling, a warmth, or a buzzing. You might feel nothing, and I want to say if you feel nothing, please let that go, all right? This is practice. So you might be used to opening your crown, you might be not used to it. That's why we're here, okay? So, earth, sky, bring them together at our hearts, Gassho. Two hands coming together. Good, few breaths here. Just getting ourselves centered, warmed up, aligned for our practice. Okay, Kenyoku Ho, dry breathing. So just crossing, crossing, crossing. Follow along if you don't know what we're doing. It's our cleansing practice to start when we're doing Reiki. Good, and just your hands. Good. Gassho. Nice, gentle breathing into your belly. Joshin Kokyu Ho. Abdominal breathing, belly breathing, diaphragmatic breathing. Work on that if you are used to practicing. If you don't know what I'm talking about, I have another video for abdominal breathing. You can check that out. Just nice, deeper, slower breaths as we get started here. Just connecting with your breath in the best way that you know how, okay? Don't worry what you're doing with it yet. The internal process of noticing your breath inside your body. Good. Now, we're going to recite the Gokai a few times, the Reiki principles to get us started. I'm going to do it a little bit quickly and in a short version of the words, okay? So see if you stay with it, get into the rhythm of it. We're going to stay with it for a few moments, okay? Breathe in, and just for today, I let go of anger. I let go of worry. I'm grateful. I do my work. I'm kind. Just for today, I let go of anger. I let go of worry. I'm grateful. I do my work. I'm kind. Just for today, I let go of anger. I let go of worry. I'm grateful. I do my work. I'm kind. Just for today, I let go of anger. I let go of worry. I'm grateful. I do my work. I'm kind. Stay with it. Just for today, I let go of anger. I let go of worry. I'm grateful. I do my work. I'm kind. Breathe in. Just for today, I let go of anger. I let go of worry. I'm grateful. I do my work. I'm kind. A little softer. Just for today, I let go of anger. I let go of worry. I'm grateful. I do my work. I'm kind. Just for today, I let go of anger. I let go of worry. I'm grateful. I do my work. I'm kind. Let this integrate on all levels: physical, spiritual, emotional. Just for today, I let go of anger. I let go of worry. I'm grateful. I do my work. I'm kind. A few more. Just for today, I let go of anger. I let go of worry. I'm grateful. I do my work. I'm kind. Say it inside quietly. Good. Okay, now notice how your body feels. Notice if you are starting to feel antsy, if something is sore, if you feel like crooked. So take a moment here. If you're not used to sitting still, just like stretch out a little bit. See how you can get comfortable because we're going to be sitting for a few more moments. This is why I teach Qigong along with Reiki, because a lot of times we do get uncomfortable. We're holding our hands in a certain position for quite some time. And so this gives you practice of moving with your breath inside, even though you're not moving outside. And that's what we're going to practice today. Okay, so put your hands back into Gassho. If they're too tired there, don't worry about it. Leave them like face down in your lap or over your lower belly. Stay mindful. Notice where you're uncomfortable. Take some breaths. See if you can soften. Make your breath soft, almost like a whisper. That helps to soften the body. That helps to get the energy moving throughout, okay? Feel your belly expand softly, contract, expand, contract. Slow everything down. Come to your center. Stay with this. Stay with this. This is the practice. Just notice how your breathing is. Just notice where you feel it. Again, keep your hands in Gassho if that feels comfortable for you. Keep them over your belly. I want you to be soft and comfortable while we breathe, okay? Now we're not just going to breathe. We're starting to breathe, but I want you to inhale into your belly. If that's easy, if it's not, just a nice soft breath in. And then breathe out through your hands. Breathe only in and out through your nose, okay? Into the belly, out through your hands. Now here, either you're imagining, kind of sensing, or feeling the energy come in the belly, out through the hands. It'll come in the belly and down the arms, out through the hands. Now take a few moments here, especially if you're not used to feeling energy. This is how you get used to it. This is how you start to feel it. A little bit of patience and sticking with it. Breathe in and out through your hands. If that doesn't make sense to you, focus on your breath and also focus on the palms of your hands. Just notice what you feel. Do you feel your left hand contacting your right hand and your right hand contacting your left hand? That's great. If you start to feel a little warmth in your palms, that's great. If you start to feel a little tingling or buzzing or like a magnetic feeling, try pulling them apart just a little bit. See, you feel that little pull back together. Any of those things are what energy can feel like. We increase the energy by increasing the breath. Good. Now move your hands to a place where they're very comfortable. Just maybe let them rest in your lap. I want your whole body to feel as comfortable as possible. This might be how we are in a practice or a session with a client. Sorry. Staying present. Your hands might be on your client. If you're doing a self-treatment, they might be like on your heart, on your belly. They might be in your lap also. And see if it feels any different. Breathing in through your nose and out through your hands. Always in through your nose, out through your nose, but also out through your hands. Does it feel different when you have your hands together in Gassho versus when you have them in your lap or on your belly? Just notice. The most important thing is that inner sensing, that feeling from the inside out, the softness of your breath. Now, focus your attention on the place where you're feeling the most discomfort right now. Maybe is your back getting a little sore, or is your neck starting to just feel a little uncomfortable? If you're really uncomfortable, don't let yourself get so that you're going to feel hurt tomorrow. You can move around. When I'm doing Reiki with a client, if something is sore, I will move around a little bit. If it's not time for me to move, if it doesn't feel right, if I need to be still in that moment, use my breath. So breathe that breath into that part that feels uncomfortable. Make it whisper soft, like a little cloud, a little puffy cloud, a little light cloud coming in to soften that area that's not feeling that great. If you don't have pain in your body, that's great. Look for the tiniest little bit of discomfort. What could be just a little softer? Feel for those places that are contracted that you might not even notice in everyday life. This is the time to get super, super sensitive. Just notice what you feel. Breathe into those areas that might feel a little sore, contracted, tight, and breathe out a cloud of everything that you no longer need. What is that place, that uncomfortable place? What is it carrying? Is it carrying an old energy? Sorry, an old injury and an old injury. Energy from the I won't try to say that. Energy from the injury. Sorry. It's okay. Keep your focus, even though I'm talking about nothing. Now it might change. Notice if it starts to feel even more uncomfortable. Oh, wow, I didn't even realize that part was so tight. Or that might have already loosened, lightened up, and you feel something somewhere else. Let your attention go. This is how we do it. Moving from one area that we're noticing from the inside intuitively to another. Now see if there might be some like emotion attached to this contracted or painful part of you. Is it resentment from that old injury? Is it anger from the way that you were treated? in an old relationship or a current relationship? Is it something kind of mean that you tell yourself that makes you feel small and contracted? Good. You get the idea. You can come back to this practice. You can do it yourself. You saw what we just did. But if it's helpful to be guided through it, then come back and do this again and again. These are practices, right? Not you just do it once and then you have it. You learn it to a certain degree, but the practice, the embodiment of it, the making it natural, so that when you feel uncomfortable, you don't clench down more, you notice and you breathe into it. And now you're used to that soft breath. You're used to taking in more and more energy, you see? So very quickly, it just dissolves. The emotion dissolves, the pain dissolves, etc., etc. Let's come back to Gassho to finish up. Couple more breaths. And end mindfully. If you're still here and you're like ready to click out, come on, let's hurry up and finish. Take one more breath then. Train yourself to be still and mindful. Okay. Thank you for the practice. We'll see you next time, okay? Practice that or come back to this one. Bye.